This morning, after sharing something tender, I'm remembering today with gratitude. Not because everything is fixed, not because the heaviness is gone, but because even in the wait, something stays with me. I'm noticing my breath finding its way back. I'm noticing moments of quiet where my body softens. I'm noticing love showing up in small messages, in gentle check-ins, in being seen without needing to explain. I'm grateful for the warm sun shining on my face on a Southern California morning in winter. I'm grateful for the people who can sit with truth without trying to rush it away. I'm grateful for my ability to feel deeply, even when it hurts, because it reminds me that I'm still open, still connected, still capable of joy. This morning, I'm choosing hope, not the kind that insists everything is okay, not the kind that skips over the hard parts, just the faithful kind that says, I'm still here. A light still finds me. This morning, I carry gratitude forward as proof that even after heavy days, restoration continues.